Early this year, we'd launched Ather 450X, which is a performance variant built on the 450 platform. It came with a lot of firsts and a significant jump over the 450. It had 50% faster supercharging. It came with the first ever Bluetooth and Android integration on the dashboard with Google Maps on it. And more importantly, it had a significant jump up on performance embodied in the Warp mode. The Warp mode in particular has been getting a lot of attention because it is performance almost 30-40% better than what the 450 had. A few weeks back, we opened up the Warp mode trials for our community members and our moderators, and there's been some interesting response coming from there. When we started thinking about the collector's edition, we didn't just want to do, let's say, just a beautiful t-shirt, and we did one. We didn't want to just stop with a piece of merchandise. We wanted to do something deeper. We wanted to actually, we wanted to focus on the thing that we know how to do best, which is actually on the product. And for the collector's edition, we wanted to build a very distinctively different look. We wanted to build visually a very different version, something that would catch even more attention. That's a very high bar. And that's what we've been spending a lot of time on. We're calling the collector's edition of 450X as Series 1. Series 1 comes with our very first high-gloss metallic black body color, which has a mirror sheen that reflects the environment around. The black is made even more special by a mix of gold, silver, and blue flecks in the paint, which casts warm highlights and cool shadows along the panel contours. This creates a visual play on the proportions of X, creating a fairly distinctive silhouette. Let's talk about one of the most visually distinct elements of the Series 1, the rear, the translucent panels in the rear. When we think about performance, we can't not talk about the frame of the vehicle. A lot of it traces its origins from this base architecture. This was the first scooter in the country to have a hybrid aluminum frame, a hybrid cast aluminum frame. It's a beautiful element in itself, something that we have always celebrated right from day one when we opened up our first experience centers. So when we started thinking about the Series 1, we wanted to make sure that we highlight this and we bring this into attention. So which is why the exposed rear frame comes in Dayglow red, and the rear part of the frame, which is a trellis frame, it wraps around the entire boot space and covers it up beautifully. And to highlight this, the panels covering it have been designed with a translucent finish. And this was something which was like on our wish list for a very long time, and Series 1 became a launch pad to bring this out finally. So in November, when Series 1 rolls out for all customers, it will come with the same high gloss black panels as with the rest of the scooter. And come May next year, all owners of Series 1 will get a free upgrade into the translucent panels as it becomes available in all markets. All owners of Series 1 will get a free year worth of free servicing on their vehicles. Also, we are launching in not 10, but now 11 cities. We just recently announced that, added Kochi to that list. Over the next few weeks, test rides will be beginning in all these markets. And over the next 90 days, deliveries will open up in all of them. Thank you for joining us for the launch of the Collector's Edition. We have a lot of excitement building up over the next few months. We hope you will enjoy the product as much as we've enjoyed building.